Very good, guys. Today I am making saltfish and tomato, serving that with some pressed plantain. My name is Elmarie. Let's get started. So first I will get my pot started with some boiling water. So we can do this both ways. We can either cook it with the scale and the skin on, or if you so like, you can skin the fish to get it cooked. But I'll do it with the scale on. So I will just give it a wash just to remove the extra salt that is on the outer part of it here. At this point, it doesn't matter if the water is hot or cold, the saltfish can go in. So guys, I came across this plantain. It's Hawaiian or Hawaii or something like that plantain, but I think more Hawaiian plantain. And I decided to use these because our plantain in Jamaica or even here in Canada, it's different. It's the other plantain. So it's the first time I'm seeing this kind of plantain. So I want to use this plantain, you know, just to taste it and to make the comparison to see if it's different from our plantain in taste. Yes, obviously it's different. It's a difference in the looks, but I want to see if it's different in taste. So this is the plantain that I will be pressing today. So in the interest of time, while the saltfish is there boiling, I will cut the veg. So I will be using tomato. See, these tomatoes, they are so pretty, you know, radiantly red. You see, very ripe tomato that I will be using. And this is a banana pepper. Really, I haven't seen this one in Jamaica, so for this I will be storing the seeds, or I'll go look some seed from this kind of pepper to buy. This one is bell pepper, but it's a kind of black bell pepper. We don't use to this one in Jamaica also, but I love to plant, I love to cultivate, so I will get these seeds back there. So let me just do some washing of my veg and bell peppers. So first I will cut these ones. I'll just try and use different colors, because you know some people eat with their eyes first. So if you have your dish looking attractive, then it kind of tempts you to eat, whether you're a big eater or not. And for this one, I will just use it like that. So this pepper, guys, it hardly have seed and it's not like very harsh. It's more on the sweetish kind of side. And also limited amount of seeds. I'll use some garlic because I try to use garlic in pretty much everything. I just squeeze the garlic because in my head I feel like if I squeeze it, I will get more juice from the garlic. Maybe that's a fact, I don't know, but that's what in my head. I place the wet paper underneath the board, just not having the board dancing all over the place to make accident, you know, so we avoid having accident as much as possible in the kitchen. This onion here is very big. Maybe I'll cut it like that. Oh, the saltfish is fighting. So now the saltfish have come to a boil, like the first boil. Like the first boil, now what I will do, I will change the water. Why? So I change the water because of the salt. And I will put fresh water on it now and have it boil a second time. Here we go. I have it boiling one more time. The brown part. Now guys, I'll try and cut the plantain to get inside of her. So I think I will cut it this way. Not looking the best, but it's okay. This is Hawaiian plantain, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like on the inside. Not as yellow as our plantain back home in Jamaica, or the original plantain we used to. Not as yellow. To me, it kind of have a little whitish look. Strips just the same. Really have to peel this one though. No, this one is not good. I don't like this one at all. It feels more spongy. Back home in Jamaica, we have a banana back home in Jamaica. It's called froggy banana. This kind of have some resemblance of it. It's just that the froggy is not as big as these. So now I will put some salt. I'm using the pink salt, it's just preference. And then I'll put some water. So I will soak these in the water. Technically it should be in the water maybe for like 30 seconds to a minute or so. So I will just soak these in the water before I fry them. So I'll get my frying pan ready for the frying of the plantain. Hawaiian plantain, something like that. Guys, I'll put the proper spelling of it, like I just don't know what the hell we call this plantain, but it's Hawaiian, something like that, something like that plantain it is. I'll pour some oil. Why this is so tight? I put a generous amount of oil in the frying pan because, you know, I want the plantain to kind of submerge, so we will have it press easily after. Let me just check my fish. So what I'm checking for here to see if the water is very salty. And it's not, so it's okay. And this same plantain here, this is a overripe one, but I don't even know what to do with this now. But just to show that, you know, they are big in size, because we even have ones that bigger than this one, and this is a huge plantain, very thick. I just cover the pot, guys, because, you know, it's cropping so much and I don't want to make a mess of the place, and more so I don't want to get burned. So this is how it looks, and I will halfway fry it now, and then I will press it and fry again. I'll put some cold water just to cool it down. Cold water just to cool it down, you know, so it can be cool enough for the touch. So now I will flip the plantain on the other side. So now, guys, this is halfway cooked. Now I will pick them out of the oil, press them and put them back. Now I'll press them. I don't want to press it this way. I kind of want to press it this way. So now it's pressed. I'll put it back in the oil, so it will continue frying. Guys, I'm so eager to taste, so I'm gonna taste this little piece. The truth is, no comparison. It's a little bit fresh. Our plantain is sweet, but early days yet. Let's not judge so early. So now I'm just removing the scale from the fish. Guys, yesterday was so nice here in Canada. I mean, the temperature was so nice yesterday, and oh my god, today we have to be all dressed up in some sweater, like, you know, Eskimo kind of thing again, because today is so cold. It's like -4 outside. It's so cold today. So cold. go. And I'll change the water one more time. Now I'll flip this plantain. Now for the saltfish, I will take out all the bones. So I'll debone the saltfish. So this is plantain number 1. I will just put a paper towel there just to, absorb the oil. So that's plantain number 1. This is the third one. I'll just put a piece more paper towel on top so it absorbs the oil. So the pot is already hot. So I will add all of my ground provision, all of my season here to the oil. So I will just have this saute a little. Guys, the aroma from this is smelling so nice. Lovely. So I'm just going to drain the saltfish. And this is how I like it. I like the veg and the saltfish kind of equal. Not too much saltfish and less veg or something like that. I kind of like it equal. So I'm eating the vegetable and I am eating the saltfish as well. My God, guys, this smells so nice. Just do a little housekeeping at the same time. So to this, I won't add any kind of powder seasoning. The only thing I'm gonna add is black pepper, because before I put as much ground garlic in, which is okay, and the only thing now is just the black pepper, and that's it. No seasoning. I mean, no meat seasoning, no chicken seasoning, fish seasoning, you name it, nothing like that. Just the black pepper. And guess what, guys? It's all done. It's plating and eating time, which is the best time. When you cook and then you sit and you enjoy your food, that's the best time around. That's the beauty about cooking. There we have it, guys. All done. Smell nice, look nice. Oh my God, all done. A lovely dish of pressed plantain, Hawaiian something plantain. I will put the proper spelling for this plantain because it's new to me also. And some saltfish and vegetable. Saltfish and tomato, sweet pepper, bell pepper, banana pepper, and some tomato and 2 slices of avocado. Guys, I hope you all like this video. Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get in the moment of truth by tasting this plantain. So, the grand finale here now. I know saltfish, I know how it tastes, right? Because that's our kind of thing from back home. So I know saltfish, I know how it tastes. So the grand finale for me is this plantain. So new to me. Honestly, it tastes more like fried banana, to be honest. Not really plantain. It's not sweet. It's fresh. It's giving me that kind of banana vibes. It's not fresh. However, it's food. It's from the Lord, so it can eat. Very good, guys. Very good. So nice. When pairing both of them together, it's like eating just saltfish and tomato and green banana. It's just that it have the buzz with the crispiness of the plantain. But like I said before, it's on the little bit of fresh side, which might be good for us. You know, you might never know. Not too much sweet is good. But guys, I hope you all like this video. Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.